the forefront of healthcare innovation, there has always been a growing need for advanced tools and technologies that aid neurologists in the assessment and treatment planning for individuals with conditions such as Parkinson's disease (PD). Finding why there is a need of such a solution. Millions globally suffer from the impact of Parkinson's disease, facing challenges in delayed and imprecise diagnosis. Current clinical methods suffer from intra-rater variability, thus leading to incorrect diagnosis and reduced quality of life, in return hindering effective treatment. Underutilization of advanced imaging worsens the case, emphasizing the need for objective movement analysis. PD, the fastest growing and chronic neurological disorder, demands attention and early and accurate diagnosis. The global impact of PD and diagnostic limitations necessitates innovative solutions. Our user-friendly and cost-effective and portable deep learning-based kinematic assessment tool addresses the critical need for early detection and enhancing the treatment planning in Parkinson's diagnosis. Our objectives are to design and development of an affordable and portable optoelectronic system to record and track, to develop an event detection kit to record temporal measures, to develop a deep learning based neural network model CNN and RNN to provide spatial temporal measures of the movements, to validate Big Cat and EDK.
Our innovative solution comprises of two integral components. One is Big Cat, stands for Box Infrared Gross Kinematic Assessment Tool, and other is EDK, stands for Event Detection Kit. There are two types of movements on the basis on which we are going to diagnose Parkinson's disease using spatiotemporal techniques. The methodology for 2D fine motor movement analysis utilizes one camera to record finger tapping motion. By finding velocity, rhythm and frequency, we can diagnose Parkinson's disease. This was the first modern technique according to the literature. Secondly, the methodology for 3D data analysis, we require 2 or 3 cameras for in-depth analysis. So, we have developed a specialized mechanism named as Big Cat to record 3D videos using CNN. Big Cat is a 3D motion capture system that utilizes master-slave communication to record synchronized 3D videos.
Hello, my name is Khadija. After the fine motor movement, let's discuss about gross motor movement. We choose the sagittal plane for analyzing upper limb movements. This is crucial for understanding the range and quality of motion in tasks involving the arm. The Event Detection Kit (EDK) is designed with above careful consideration for reach to grasp activities. The design accommodates sustainable principle for optimal functionality. The experimenter initiates the task. EDK captures reach to grasp movement to record different timestamps. After data acquisition, the gathered information is used to train system using deep learning model. The EDK facilitates diagnosis based on the detection of slowness in the motion. By comparing the subject's movements to the UPDRS scale used by the clinicians, bradykinesia can be identified, aiding in early detection. In conclusion, the EDK serves as a comprehensive tool for analyzing and diagnosing PD. Particularly used with Big Cat, it can provide highly effective results. According to Vision Research reports, the global Parkinson's disease treatment market size was estimated at around USD 4.3 billion in 2021, and it is projected to hit around 12.1 billion by 2030, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 12.18% from 2022 to 2030. This is encouraging because it indicates that there is a rising need for cutting-edge solutions. Thank you.
Our ventures align with SDG 9, contributing to industry innovation by introducing a 3D markerless motion capture system for upper arm kinematic assessment. Additionally, we support SDG 3 goal, according to which we encourage innovation in healthcare department. So, moving on to the conclusion, we need more research to find new techniques and treatment for Parkinson's disease. We need to make sure that everyone can access the best care through our solution. Thanks for encouraging us and selecting us. We are looking forward to it.